Emily was a small-town girl with big dreams. Every night before bed, she wrote in her journal, "I am confident, successful, and living my dream life." Her friends laughed, saying, "You? A fashion designer? Keep dreaming." But Emily didn't let their words stop her. She visualized herself in a studio, designing clothes for famous clients. Every morning, she spent 10 minutes imagining the feeling of success, joy, and gratitude. One day, Emily decided to enter a local design contest. She didn't have the fanciest materials or much experience, but she poured her heart into her designs. When the winners were announced, she couldn't believe it. She had won first place. That contest opened doors to opportunities Emily had only dreamed of. A famous designer noticed her work, and soon she was invited to intern in a big city. Her manifestation became her reality. Lesson: your thoughts and beliefs shape your life. Stay focused, visualize your goals, and work toward them every day. Manifestation works if you believe in yourself,